Yo, what's good, everybody? Y'all make sure to go follow my IG, George underscore the barber. That's where I be posting most of my cuts. And this video, I'm gonna be doing a taper tutorial. It was somebody in the comments had said drop a low taper, but this kind of like a low mid, not too high though. But yo, right here, I was struggling to put my gloves on. Boy, them gloves too small. They're like medium. Shit, right here we started doing the ball line with the Babyliss trimmer. You know what I'm saying? Alright, once I remove all the bulk from the bottom, you know what I'm saying, so it's nice and clean, I'm gonna grab my Andy shaver. And I'm gonna start shaving so I get the hair a little closer to the skin, you know what I'm saying? And you don't wanna go all the way up to the line because you're gonna make a really harsh line. Right here we got the lever open. We're gonna be hitting it at about an inch. Not too much, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure you do enough though, cause some people, they don't go high enough and their taper just come out like looking really low. You know what I'm saying? So, yo. Alright, right here, as you can see, I closed the lever all the way with no guard, and I'm just flicking that harsh line. I'm just flicking it from under, and I'm going to it. And right here, I'm just playing with the lever. You know what I'm saying? Just right here, I got the number 1 guard open. I'm about to be going still, like about an inch. You want to make sure you go over it a couple times, because if you go over it just one time, they're not, all the hairs are not going to be the same length. It's just going to come out like looking weird, but yeah. All right, here, as you can see, I closed the number 1 guard just to soften up the line. And right here, I got the half guard with the lever all the way open. I like to start with the lever open, you know what I'm saying, just in case I missed a couple hairs with the 1 guard and I don't make like a little bald line. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just playing with the lever, closing as needed, so I get rid of that line. You want to make sure you flick your wrist. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to go straight up because you're gonna make a line, and it's gonna be really hard to get rid of. Okay, right here I removed the half guard and I put my lever all the way open. And I closed it maybe a little bit, I was just trying to make sure there was no line. Right here I got the number 2 guard with the lever open. And as y'all can see, I demonstrated in the video, that's exactly how y'all gonna do it. And I do this just so I don't make a really harsh line on the top, you know what I'm saying? So just flicking it. The comb really helps a lot. This technique is gonna help y'all a lot if y'all just starting. Alright, here I closed the lever on the 2 guard and I started doing clip over comb because I seen a lot of bulk on the top. So I'm just trying to get rid of a little bit, not a lot of bulk. Right here I got the number 1, the 1.5, and I'm just gonna be trying to get rid of that line, playing with the lever, closing it as needed. Alright, here I put the number 1 guard all the way open, and the same thing, we're gonna be playing with the lever, just trying to get rid of that line. Using that flick. All right, here I'm just gonna grab my trimmers and I'm gonna start lining up. All right, now starting on the side taper, I'm gonna grab my trimmer, starting to make the bald line. Not too high, like I said, it's not a mid, kind of low taper. I'm gonna grab my shaver. Not going all the way up to the line because I don't want to make a really harsh line. Right here I got the lever open with no guard at all. I want to go about half an inch. You have less space on the side, so yeah. And the steps are really the same as in the back. You just have less space, so you gotta be more careful. Right here I close the lever all the way, and I'm just gonna be playing with the lever, trying to get rid of that line. Right here I got the number 1 guard all the way open, just exactly the same, going about half an inch up. Right here, I close my lever, still on the one guard, just to soften up the line. Right here, I have the half guard. I'm just gonna be playing with the lever, just trying to get rid of that line. Right here, I grab the same technique with the number 2 guard all the way open, going about half an inch up, just to not make a harsh line. Using that flick. I'm just gonna be doing clip over comb, still with the 2 guard up, open, and that's just to remove a little bit of bulk because I seen a little line on the top. Right here, I grab the number 1.5 guard, and I'm just gonna be playing with the lever, trying to get rid of that little faint line I see. I grabbed my trimmers and I started lining up the C cup. And this is the tape on the side and on the back before the lineup. And right here, I started fading up the beard a little bit. He's barely growing it out. He told me if I could fade it out. I was like, all right, bitch. I just started lining it up. Yeah, I see this hairline looking rough, you know what I'm saying? But on the hairline, there's really nothing I can say. I like to start on the middle. People like to start on the sides. But I really like to do the C cups first, just so I could see where my corners are going to be and I don't go too high, not too low. You know what I'm saying? I can see right here, crispy. Yes, sir. Hit that, huh? And there y'all guys have it. This is how I do my tapers. Every barber is different, but this is exactly how I do my tapers, my steps. And if y'all did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.